We are asked to strengthen the government's plan in light of the skeptics' objection. The government's plan is to increase gasoline tax to reduce traffic congestion. Skeptics point out that people live in areas where cars are the only viable transportation to stores and jobs, and people are not likely to change their driving habits in response to higher gasoline prices. This is the information that we have. We are looking for an answer choice that would help us to support the government's plan in light of the skeptics' objection. So the correct answer should support the government's plan to reduce traffic congestion. At the same time, it should also provide a feasible solution to the concerns raised by the skeptics. Let's look at the answer choices. Choice A. If revenue from the tax is used to make public transportation a viable means of transportation to jobs and stores, then it is quite likely that people will start using public transport rather than their cars. Since it is stated in the argument that people live in areas where cars are the only viable transportation. So this choice provides a solution to the concern raised by the skeptics. At the same time, it also supports the government's plan to reduce traffic congestion. So we can hold answer choice A. Choice B. The tax will encourage many residents to switch to more fuel efficient cars, reducing air pollution and other problems. Switching to more fuel efficient cars will not reduce traffic congestion. So this statement can straight away be eliminated because of choice C. Because gasoline has been underpriced for decades, the province has many neighborhoods where cars are the only viable means of transportation. Now, we are looking for an answer choice that supports the government's plan. This statement does not support the government's plan. Instead, it states the concern raised by the skeptics, suggesting that government's plan to reduce traffic congestion may not succeed. So C does not support the argument. Choice D. Most residents who cannot greatly change their driving habits could compensate for high gasoline prices by reducing other expenses. If residents cut down other expenses to compensate for high gasoline prices, then they would still use their cars. This would not help to reduce traffic congestion. So D can also be eliminated. Choice E. Traffic congestion is an especially serious problem for people for whom cars are the only viable means of transportation. To strengthen the argument here, we have to provide an alternate solution to people who use cars as the only viable transportation. Knowing how serious traffic congestion is to people who use cars as the only viable transportation does not help to strengthen the government's plan. So choice C can also be eliminated. The correct answer to this question is answer choice